Hi, I'm Tom, the manager of the powertrain assembly line. We produce 6 engine models with more than 20 variations. Looks busy, right? Due to a high number of products, variants, and assembly steps, my everyday challenge is to control the assembly process to reduce downtime and high rework rates. In our case, these costly factors are mainly caused by human errors, like using an incorrect part, a wrong bolt, or an improper tool or step sequence. We tried to solve these issues with training sessions, printed instructions, and complex PLC-coded solutions, but this didn't improve our process. Luckily, Atlas Copco is here to support us in our digitalization journey. With their error-proofing solutions, we are now in full control of the complete assembly process. Each step is displayed on screen and guides the operator through the right sequence. Adding interlinked steps, like pick-to-light and part verification, we avoid operators using the wrong part or bolt, and we can activate a line stop to prevent suspect products from leaving the station. To ensure traceability and detect risky deviations, we centrally store all process results, easily displayed in the web interface. This helps us to identify frequent areas of failure. By implementing Atlas Copco's scalable quality solution, we've avoided performing breakdown repairs and improved our productivity, reducing our rework rate by more than 80%, all with a payback period of only 2 months. To learn more about process control and error proofing by Atlas Copco, you can contact our experts and visit them on the web at atlascopco.com.